Hello, my name is Wesley, and today I will be showing you how to make use of a black box within SOLIDWORKS Electrical. Within SOLIDWORKS Electrical, the black box can be utilized within a schematic environment. So, as you can see here, we have a typical forward-reverse motor control circuit, and the black box that I will be inserting will act as the VFD. So we will insert our black box between our contactor and our terminals, and I'll extend it just a little bit off center so I can add additional connection points. With every part in SOLIDWORKS Electrical, you can search for your manufacturer of the VFD that you would like to use. Once you have added, and you can see that everything is accordingly, and there you have added your VFD black box. Right, so just to add your additional connection points, I will add one there, and there as well. These connection points we can now edit in our symbol properties, manufacturer parts and circuits, and then now we can edit these terminals to what you would like. We'll have our forward, our reverse, our stop, and also our common terminal. And there you have successfully added your newly created VFD black box symbol. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and we will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.